something only you embrace. How do you put your mind to something that you love? When you were growing up, everyone told you that you were good enough. Good enough will work for me. Instead of love, you hurt me deep. Broke my trust and watched me bleed. Ignore my reasons, squash my dreams. Everything hiding underneath is coming out for you to see. The screens get pitted down beneath the broken spirit. I'm finally free. Get up, get up, get up. I'ma show you everything I got inside. I won't give up, give up. Never backing down, this is my fight. Everything we do in life has gotta be for something. I won't go down without a fight, no, I won't die for nothing. You held me under too long, I see you coming in. Take back your hand, you're not my friend, to me you're fucking dead. All the things you didn't do show me the colors inside you. I never